Did you know that playing too much Tetris can literally change how you see the world? It's called the Tetris effect, and it happens when you do something so much that your brain gets rewired to see those patterns everywhere. People who played Tetris for hours would close their eyes and still see falling blocks. They'd look at buildings and try to fit them together like puzzle pieces. Your brain creates new pathways when you repeat activities, and these pathways start filtering everything you see. Cashiers begin spotting price patterns in random numbers. Medical students start diagnosing healthy people with diseases. Chess players see board positions in the way furniture is arranged. Scientists found this brain rewiring happens in just a few hours of repetitive activity. It even changes what you dream about. That grocery store display that looks perfectly organized? A Tetris player might see it as missing pieces that need to fit together. Your recent experiences are literally shaping your reality by changing how your brain processes what you see around you.